afternoon, everyone. I'm Andrea Ramos, and I'm going to talk about TOEFL IBT test. Okay, so the objective for this test is to measure the English proficiency and academic skills of non-native speakers of English. This time I'm going just to focus on reading section. It consists of 3 long passages and questions about them. There are from 36 to 42 questions, and you have approximately 60 minutes. And the topics are academic, okay? So, as I told you before, it has 3 long passages. Passage 1 and 2 and 3, it has 700 words, and there are from 12 to 14 questions. It's important to know that in the reading sections there are 10 types of questions, okay? So the first one is about vocabulary, and it's about 1 point. And how to identify the question? We can identify the question when we solve in the question. Also, the word, any word, in paragraph is close the meaning to. As we can see here in this example, he says, the word draws in paragraph 2 is close to the meaning to. And how to answer the question? Determine the function of the word, part of speech in the sentences, and its relation to other words. As number 2 of the type of question, we have reference. Okay, it's from 0 to 2 questions, and it's about 1 point, and how to identify it. As we can see here in the picture, it says the word, any word, refers to. So it means that it's a reference question. And how to answer it? Read the entire sentence with the word in it. See if the reference is easy to understand. As number 3, we have paraphrasing question. Usually it's 1 question and it's from 1 point. How to identify the question? As we can see here in the picture, says which of the sentences below best express the essential information. So here, to identify this type of question, it's important to read the best express of essential information. Okay? And how to answer this type of question? Identify any transitional word or phrase that can indicate time, constant, addition, and so on. As number 4, we have sentences insertion question. It's just 1 question from 1 point, and how to identify the question. As we can see here in the picture, says look at the 4 squares that indicate where the following sentence can be added to the passage. So, to identify this type of question, we just are going to focus on the black square and the word that says can be added to the passage. And how to answer the question. Look the reference, pronouns, or adjectives within the sentences that can be connected to an idea. In one of the sentences marked with a black square. Yeah. Number 5, factual information question. It has from 3 to 6 questions, 1 point, and how to identify the question. As we can see here in paragraph 4, states the both and are good words caused by. So here we have the paragraph states both. Okay, caused by it is going to help you to identify this type of question. How to answer the question? Look for any indicator in the question that tell you where the answer is located. Okay, so it's the tip to answer the question. Number 6, negative factual information. There are from 3 to 6 questions, and it's above 1 point. And how to identify the question? We have here in the example, it's not stated in paragraph that's online. Okay, so if he said it's not, it means that it's a negative factual information. How to answer the question? Look for any indication in the question that tells you where the answer is located. As number 7, stated facts question. It has from 1 to 3 questions to 1 point. And how to identify the question? We can see here in the picture what can be inferred from paragraph, any paragraph. Okay, so we can read what can be inferred from paragraph if an stated fact question. And how to answer the question? Look for any indication in the question that tells you where the answer is located, and look for a clear keyword such as dates, names, and occasions to help you scan for information and to eliminate wrong answers. Number 8, rhetorical purpose question. It's from 0 to 3 questions, and it's about 1 point. And how to identify the question? As we can read here, why does the author mention in the passage? The author mention is the tip to identify this type of question. How to answer the question? Look for signal words or phrases. For example, one example rather than that establish a relationship between the highlighted information and others' ideas. As number 9, we have a summary chart question. It's from 0 to 1 question. It's about from 0 to 2 points. And how to identify the question? We have here in the picture, this question is worth 2 points. 2 points for 3 correct answer, 1 point for 2 correct answer, and 0 points from 1 to 0 correct answer. And we have answer choices. Choose 3, complete the chart. How to answer the question? Read the thesis statement that is provided. Quickly read the topic statement, the first sentences of each paragraph. And finally, we have number 10, schematic table question. It's from 0 to 1 question, from 0 to 3 points. And how to identify the question? We have here in the picture directions. Select the appropriate phrases for the answer choice and match them to the type of reptile to which they relate. So answer choices. Choose 5 to complete the table. And how to identify this table? How to answer this question? Identify the categories that are provided and eliminate choices that are definitely false or not discussed in the passage. Okay, so as you can see, there are 10 types of questions, and it's not difficult to identify them. You just have to pay attention to the any words or phrases that can help you to identify them. And also there are some strategies and some tips that can help you to answer the question. Don't forget to look for some strategies that can help you to answer those questions. And thank you so much.